If you are thinking of quitting YouTube, or you've been creating videos for so long that you barely get any views, or you've been waiting for a viral video that has refused to come, and yet you have been posting and you are thinking of quitting and just giving up, then this video is for you. Please keep watching this video, because by the end of this video you will have a reason to be motivated. And if you are seeing this video today, just know that God wants you to be seeing it, okay? Because being a creator on YouTube is not a waste, guys, and I will convince you with this video, okay? Now, some time ago I posted a video and I was just telling people randomly how I went on a 9 hours live stream, and I basically just showed my analytics, what I got, and just that was all I did in that video. Guys, as I speak to you right now, that video is about 6 months ago, but as I speak to you right now, that video is blowing up. Yes, now that video has gathered over 10,000 views. Massive result, guys. I'm going to be showing you the analytics of this particular video. This is just to encourage you and tell you that when we talk about a viral video, or telling you that posting consistently actually helps you, then it really does, okay? Now, this is the video. As you can see on my screen, I did a 9 hours live stream. I'll just click on it and open it for you, okay? See, it is 1 of 10. After 6 months, it's still getting views. The impression click-through rate is very impressive. 3.0 is going up, actually. Now, I'll click on that video. I'll click on this video. Look at it. 10,038 views, okay? Now, look at the watch hours. 601 watch hours, guys. 601 from a single video. How many watch hours does YouTube need from you to monetize? 4,000, right? Now you have over 600 from a particular video. So imagine having 10 of this particular video, like 600 watch hours in your 10 videos you've posted. That's over 4,000 hours. It's up to 6,000 watch hours, if I'm not mistaken. Are you seeing it? So just posting 10 times and getting views can actually get you monetized. It can actually get you monetized. So why are you giving up? Why are you being discouraged? Now let's go to the subscribers. Almost 300. We have 277 subscribers from a single video. How many does YouTube want from you to monetize? 1,000. Are you seeing it, guys? Now let me show you the first time this video was posted, okay? So this video was posted June 25, 2025, right? And the views it got was about 63 views. Are you seeing it? This same video that is giving me views now. As at July, it gave me about 172 views. It kept increasing, 410 views, 1,000 views. It kept increasing, 2,700 views. As you can see, it was just going up, okay? It was going up. November 14th, this is about 5,000 views. And November 30th, it got about 6,000 views. It was so high, it was getting massive views. This is December, it got to 9,000 views, as you can see. So look at it. The video I posted, I had 63 views. What if I had stopped and maybe I was discouraged and I went offline and said I don't want to post again? This is how I will miss all my chances. Ever since that time, I've posted videos, okay? And those videos are also doing well. But this is how far I've gotten. Look at the top source of this video, why I was able to accumulate this much. Browse features gave me 4,700 views. Browse features is when you come on YouTube, the homepage, the videos that they suggest for you. That is what browse features is, okay? Now, the suggested video, I got 3,800 views. The suggested video is the up next, okay? They are, after watching somebody's video, YouTube suggests another video for you. That is what suggested video is. It can also be called up next. So these two features is what makes up YouTube recommendations. Now, if you are seeing these two features as the main source of your video views, then you're on track. You know that YouTube is actually pushing your videos. Do you understand me? So when your videos make sense, when it's profitable to people, YouTube begins to push it the more. That's why you see that those two sources are where the views are coming from. That's why this video was able to accumulate over 10,000 views, as you can see, okay? Other YouTube features, YouTube search. That's why I would say create searchable content. Look at the search. 424 views came from YouTube search. So even though even though the video was just talking about me, it was still searchable because it's relatable. People do live stream every time and most of them get results and others don't even get results. Now, this video itself actually gave me more benefits than even the live video I was talking about, because I didn't get up to 10,000 in that live video. Neither did I get up to 600 watch hours. I'm not even sure the watch hours is up to 100 in that live video. But just talking about it, look at how much I've accumulated. Now, let's go over to audience retention. They were able to watch 3 minutes and 35 seconds. So it's about 26.5% out of 100. That's fair enough. It said 56% of viewers are still watching around the 0 minute 30 seconds mark. This is why I will tell you that the first 30 seconds of your videos should be very important and should be very attractive, because if people click off from that first 30 minutes, your videos will not have value, and it will be below typical. So this one is typical. There are some that are above typical. That means they continued after 30 seconds and even stayed longer. Okay. Now, over the last 48 hours, I've been able to get 73 views from this particular video. This is a 6 months old video, guys, and it's still getting views. So what's stopping you from creating? It might be discouraging. When I created this video that 6 months ago and I was getting 63 views, 70 views, I was actually not happy. But as a creator that I am, I know that creating evergreen videos is like planting seeds. It will definitely grow. It's just patience and determination that you need. Actually, you don't need to give up. Okay. Now look at all these sources. I've showed you all these sources before. Okay. Now let's talk about the reach. We were at the overview before. Look at how many people have seen this video. 246,000 people. YouTube have been able to successfully push it to them. Not everybody watch YouTube growth videos. Okay, it's only those creators that actually want to up their games that watch this kind of videos that we make, and they're actually doing far better than those that don't really learn. Because trust me, no knowledge is wasted. Okay, now the impression click-through rate, how people click on it, is 3.0, like I showed you earlier. So it's very good. The views is 10,000. The unique subscribers, there's none for the last 48 hours. Let me click on it and show you. When you want to know the actual one, just click on, let's click on 28 days and see. We have 1,700 in the last 28 days. It's for the unique subscribers. Now look at how viewers found this video. Browse features, like I told you before, suggested videos, other YouTube features, and all of that. External sites that are suggesting this content to people, whatsapp.com. So this is probably from people that watch and they shared to other creators. Do you understand? That is why it's showing WhatsApp. Now Google search is even showing, Google even referred people to watch this particular video. Facebook did, YouTube, ChatGPT, and a lot of other, even Apple. Are you seeing them right here? Now this is how to study your analytics as a creator. That is why I'm showing you all of these things. Okay, it might be boring for some people, but the essence of showing you all of this analytics is so that you can actually be able to check your own. Do you understand? Look at content suggesting my videos. These are creators in my niche. Okay, their videos are suggesting my video. This first one is Tech Informat, a creator I admire so much, and the likes of them. They are so plenty. Let me not waste your time and bore you with all of this. So these are creators' content that after you watch them, my own will pop up. That's what it means. The playlist suggesting my video is my YouTube growth tips. That's why I tell you that create playlist is very essential. Now, off to engagement, we have 601 watch hours. Look at it, say 591 more than usual. Are you seeing it? Now, this is just likes. This is just other features, okay? Now let's click on this like and dislike. About 368 people liked this video, but 7 people dislike it. Why you dislike the video? Please, if you know you are watching this and you dislike this video, just let me know what you didn't like about the video, okay? And I will change it in my next upload. Now we've seen that. Let's go to audience. Okay, so this is basically the subscribers have been able to get 277 subscribers from a single video. A single video, guys, don't forget. Now look at viewers also watched. After they watched that particular video, this is what they also watched again from my channel. Do you see it? And 10 more. It's not even only that. Look at it, plus 10 more. Look at all the videos they watch, both my live stream and my normal video, because they found that video helpful. Now let's go to the type. You say mobile phone, computer, TV, and all of that. So when you're creating your videos, it's good to use the normal YouTube aspect ratio. So when people are watching it on TV or tab or laptop or computer, it can be having this TV screen. This normal TV screen is 16:9, which is the YouTube screen. Okay. Now the age from 25 to 45, 44 years. Okay. Gender, look at it, male and female. Now look at the top geographies. Nigeria. At first it was United States, but when my people found it, they binged it, as they watched it and they engaged. And I really appreciate all of you. Look at it, there's 7.7% from Nigeria, US is from 6%, Indian, Kenya, and United Kingdom. So if you are seeing this and your country is not here, please go and watch it and make sure your country enters into this place. Now, subtitles, this is just basically how people watched it. Watch time from subscribers, not subscribe, because out of the 200,000 plus, only 10,000 were able to watch, and most of them are not my subscribers. So my subscribers were just 2.6%. Now, this is how to check your analytics for a particular video. So if you've been thinking of quitting, I think this is enough reason for you not to quit. Look at the result I got from one video. So imagine getting this kind of results in just 5 of your videos or 10 of your videos. you are good to go. Your channel will blow up, and any video you're posting will just be getting views back to back. So if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Joy. Like I said before, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and also share to encourage others. Don't give up, okay? Don't give up. Keep posting. It's not an hashtag. It's a movement, and it's a movement you should continuously engage on, okay? If you found this video helpful, guys, subscribe. My next video, I'll be sharing another live stream secret. Guys, that live stream secret is going to be mind-blowing, because this one was just a few watch hours, but that particular one I'm trying at, I've gotten over 1,000 watch hours in just a space of 7 days. I'm going to be dropping that video live, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you can learn how to do this same live streaming and get monetized on YouTube, okay? I'll post the video in my next upload, guys. Stay alert and turn on your notification bell. Thank you for watching to this point. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for subscribing and engaging my videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. And a happy new year to you guys. I've not said that this year. Happy new year. Okay, this is a recent video. The last upload was videos I created some time ago. I was not able to edit and post. I was being lazy. You know, it was festive period. So thank you all, guys. I'll see you. Bye for now.